I have here a really fascinating question here. We're giving a equation of an equation regarding a function, basically, and we're asked to find out what the function is. Let's do a quick analysis and see how we go about solving this one. The analysis looks like something that hinges on the definition of a function. A function is really just a mapping, a rule, moving a number in the domain to the range. So let's say if I have a function x squared, then whatever you gave me over here on the left, which is called a domain, is going to be mapped, put on a different shelf on the range side. If the rule says whatever you gave me, I'm going to square it for this function. And then if I give you an apple, then it'll be apple squared. Now, how is this going to help us to solve this problem? Well, let's take a look at it. Okay, solution looks something like this. We're going to pick an arbitrary number. Let's call it u0. I'm going to substitute u0, this arbitrary number, into this equation. Now, based on analysis of what function is, it's 3 times this function evaluated u0 plus 2 minus u0. Again, x is replaced by u0. And since it's x on this side, it's u0 squared. Second step is a little bit tricky. We're going to pick a different one related to the first one we picked. The reason we picked this one is because I want to manipulate the second term so that it's still related to the fu0, but it's not the same number. It's 3 times 2 minus u0, because that's where I picked x is. Substitute into a 2 minus u0 on the second term, I have f of u0 back. On this side, it's x squared, and since x is evaluated 2 minus u0, expansion leads us to this. Having gotten through number 2, step 3 is pretty easy. We're going to combine this equation from step 1 and second equation from step 2. Now we have 2 equations and 2 unknowns. Unknowns are this variable and f of u0. Now from here, it's relatively simple. Let's solve this one. Alright, so here quickly what I did is multiply the first equation by minus 3. Here's what we have. Minus 3 times this chunk minus 9 of this chunk is equal to minus 3. Adding the second equation and this modified first equation together, canceling one variable, we have minus 8 with this mess on the side. Clean it up a little bit, we have f of u0 is equal to this. Now, since u0 is an arbitrary number, effectively, my apology, is really x squared plus 2x minus 2 divided by 4 is our function. Well, I hope this helps. Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Please comment or share this video. Together, we can make math easy again. Have a confident day.